is the night, tomorrow is now. You flow through my veins, inside me you'll stay. There is no doubt. No one in this world, no diamonds, no pearls, like your love divine. So high off the ground, you'll never come down. No limit, no sky. Straight into love, we'll break through the dawn and light the world up from the sky.
I had a whole interview from a lovely gentleman. He was speaking his best Slovene. He wasn't Slovenian, but he really knew like quite a bit, probably like the same amount that I do. And we had like a great Slovenian interview, broken Slovenglish interview.
The sky into the night. We're turning the tide with eyes open wide. There's no stopping now. With all that we have, we stand on the edge before we dive down. Straight into love, we'll break through the dawn.
There was Serbia before us, and they're great. And I heard Bonnie Tyler came after me, and everyone was cheering for the legend, and that was really cool too. Hi!
I can't believe it. I'll just taste it. Thank you. Good luck. Good luck. Have fun.
But that's alright if that's how you want it to be. But if you're feeling alone and afraid and you can't breathe, believe in me. The whole world is mine. I can't touch and feel. I feed you my love. I'm alive, butterfly, spinning round the sword as if today I should have stayed at home. It's stronger than me, my gravity, my gravity.
Birds falling down the rooftops out of the
Inside is just like a gala event for all the artists, and it's just the opening ceremony, so it's really exciting. Everyone's getting together to start the whole Eurovision craziness.
Do you know it's time to let yourself go? Why don't we just let it show? Tell me what you're waiting for. 'Cause I wanna live before I die. Crash and burn and lose my mind. We can set the world on fire. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me. I wanna dance with somebody. I wanna feel the heat. I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
When are you getting up tomorrow morning?
Tomorrow morning, not too early. Yeah, not too early. I think that means that we can have a little more fun tonight.